Recently, we had a glimpse of the OnePlus 12 through official teaser videos and some hands-on photos. Surprisingly, today we're treated to a hands-on video of the OnePlus 12, accompanied by additional hands-on photos of the phone. In an exciting turn of events, an individual has already unboxed the OnePlus 12 and shared a hands-on video on the Chinese social media platform Weibo. Notably, Twitter user Anvin has also shared a video showcasing the white color variant of the device. But that's not all, we've got more to explore. New images of the OnePlus 12 in both white and green color options have surfaced, with the black version also on the horizon. In China, all three color choices will be available, while the rest of the world will have access to the black and green variants exclusively. These images hold a special significance as they are officially shared by OnePlus China President Li Lewis. However, there's more to discover on Weibo beyond the official snapshots. A separate collection of pictures offers a real-life look at the OnePlus 12, unveiling some insights into the phone's hardware, complementing what we already know. Speaking of specifications, the OnePlus 12 will come in three configurations: 16 GB of RAM with 512 GB of storage, 16 GB of RAM with a massive 1 TB of storage, and a high-end variant with 24 GB of RAM also boasting 1 TB of storage. It bears the model number PDAJ110 and boasts a generous 6.82-inch display. This display, utilizing a BOE X1 panel, impressively features an 8TL OLED with a resolution of 1440 x 3168 pixels and an impressive 120 Hz refresh rate. Moreover, it offers a peak brightness of 4500 nits in auto mode and employs 2160 Hz PWM dimming. The camera setup is equally impressive, comprising a 50-megapixel main camera, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 64-megapixel 3x telephoto lens. For selfie enthusiasts, there's a 32-megapixel front-facing camera, and powering all of this is a robust 5,400 mAh battery. Now it's over to you. What are your thoughts on the OnePlus 12? Feel free to share your opinions in the comments section. As always, stay tuned for our next video. Peace out.